Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and I'm outside my own home, and right behind me is a panel made out of cedar from my boat dock. I live on a large lake here in central New Hampshire, really beautiful, and it needs to be resealed, as you can tell. So a couple of things I just want to tell you very quickly. Number one, the cleaner that I used was oxygen bleach. It's called Stain Solver, and you can get it at stainsolver.com. And it's much, much better than using a pressure washer. Pressure washers ruin wood. Just trust me, if they dig out the softer spring wood. But here's what you need to know. This particular dock panel was sealed with a film-forming sealant probably 5 years ago. And I hate those type of sealants. They're just like paint. They sit on the surface. They don't really soak in. And when they fail, they peel off. And I now have to sand part of this panel. I'll probably have to sand all of them because there's 10 panels total for this dock. And it's a nightmare. In the old days, the deck sealants that you could buy were penetrating sealants. They soaked into the wood, they protected the wood fibers deep down inside, and they were just better. And you never had to sand the panels, when you went to refinish it. It's just crazy. But these particular newer sealants, if you're having the same problem, that's why. They're like paint. And I actually think, this is the cynic in me, I think that the manufacturers are doing this on purpose so that your deck looks worse faster. I know that sounds crazy, but once they start to peel, then your deck or your dock really looks horrible. And then you're forced to have to buy more sealer. So all I can tell you is, try to find a penetrating wood sealer if you can get it. They're harder and harder to find every day. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.